Hello friends, today I wanted to record a mini tutorial for you on how to run and create your Facebook ads. Now, in my opinion, Facebook is very, very effective in finding you new clients. Facebook, I mean, let's be honest, Facebook knows everything about you. Now that Instagram is owned by Facebook, they have a tremendous amount of data on all of us. Facebook knows what you like and what you don't like. Facebook knows all your friends. Facebook knows all the places where you go, the places where you eat, the places where you work out, and the places where you shop and visit for vacations. Facebook knows your interests, everything that you like. So this is really great for us as business owners because with the help of Facebook and rather inexpensively, you can target your audience. You can target your audience by your location. You can target your audience by the interest, be it yoga, hot yoga, vinyasa flow yoga, CrossFit, spin, bar, dance, whatever it is that you're offering, you can literally narrow down and target your audience. You can even upload your existing client's email list and you upload it into Facebook, and Facebook will find a look-alike audience for you and target that audience. Isn't that amazing? So let's get started. I'm going to show you the basics of Facebook ads today. So you can get to your Facebook page that you manage, your business page, or you can go under business.facebook.com. There are both ways you can get there. So I'm going to go under Ads Manager, Campaigns, and I'm going to say, I'm going to create a new campaign. And the objective of this campaign, it can be different things. You can create more engagements around your social media posts. You can create conversions. You can track conversions. You can generate leads, get people to sign up for your newsletter list, etc. So for this one, my objective today is to send people to my website, where on the homepage, I will advertise my intro special for all of my new clients, 1 month of unlimited yoga for $44. So I'm going to say traffic. And here you can select your daily budget, or you can select a lifetime budget. Depending on how much money you want to devote to Facebook ads, and because I'm testing these ads today, I'm going to say my daily budget will be $3 a day. And I'm going to say campaign name will be new clients and intro special. Let's see what we have here under advanced options. And we're just going to skip that and go to continue. Ad set name. Ad set, in other words, for ad set is you can create different ad sets, meaning different types of audiences. And it's really important to name your ad set correctly, because once you start running your Facebook ads, you can go back and check how different ads are performing, and you want to pause or discontinue the ads that are not performing well and duplicate the ads that are doing really, really well. So for this one, I'm going to say my audience, my ad set would be yoga, interest, and I'm going to target my zip code today. Yoga interest, zip, such and such. I'm going to direct traffic to my website. Here you can create dynamic creative, which is you upload your collateral, marketing collateral here, and Facebook will optimize it in the best way to present this material in front of your clients. Also, let's see, audience, you can save, you can use your saved audience here or create a new audience. So this new audience will say yoga interest. I'm just gonna call that. Sorry, custom audience, please ignore what I just said. Custom audience, remember how I said you can upload your existing clients list into Facebook, and Facebook will find a lookalike audience for you. So this is where you do it under this custom audience. But for today's video, I'm not gonna use that. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to target, because it's a more advanced. Today, I'm going to show you how to target your audience based on your zip code and the interest, for which for this particular example will be yoga. So here I'm going to put in my zip code where my business is located. And then also what I did is I simply Googled zip codes around this zip code, and I have a few other zip codes I'm going to put in here. So all I'm doing is copying and pasting the zip codes nearby. Okay. Well, 405, let's see, this one, it doesn't seem to like this one. Not Portugal, we don't want Portugal. Let's see, maybe it wants me to type it up manually, yeah. So it wants me to type it up manually, and I'm happy to do that. So I'm gonna say 3, let's just do several zip codes nearby. Okay, didn't like this one. Okay, I'm just gonna leave these 1, 2, 3, 4 zip codes that I'm targeting today. Here you can specify the age of your audience. I'm gonna say anybody, both men and women, between ages 18 and, realistically speaking, let's just say 60. I'm gonna leave languages blank. So detailed targeting, this is where you get to specify the interest for your targeted audience. And for this particular one, my client is a yoga studio, so I'm gonna say yoga. I'm gonna also type in yoga because it's got all these other ones: hot yoga, hatha yoga, Bikram yoga, yoga works, karma yoga. So I'm gonna say hatha yoga, yoga. Let's see if we'll show power flow, power yoga. Well, it shows core power yoga. I don't want that. So let's say, okay, let me add also meditation. Okay. So hatha yoga, meditation yoga. And here on the right side, you will see that it's the audience that Facebook is telling me that they will target is 64,000 people. Now, under connections here, you can select Facebook pages, people who like your page, friends of the people who like your page. And even if I were to put that in, it will narrow my audience. For now, I want to keep it wide at 64,000 potential people that this ad will reach. Placement, you always want to leave it as automatic placements, recommended. The Facebook algorithm will create the most optimized, fastest, most effective way to bring new clients to you. Now I'm gonna say, you guys, that it takes about 4 days for the Facebook algorithms to truly kick in. So once you schedule your ads, you don't mess with those ads for at least 4 days. Even though it will be really tempting for you to kill the ads that you think are not working or increase the budget for the ads that you think are working, don't mess with those ads until after 4 days, because that's how much time it takes for the Facebook algorithm to figure out the most optimized and the most effective way to work for you. So I'm gonna leave this one as automatic placement, but if you wanted to, sometimes I schedule ads just for my Instagram stories. And if you wanted to do that, you would literally uncheck everything except for Instagram stories. And this is a specific different type of ads that we can run that are also very, very effective. For today's example, I'm going to leave it as automatic placement, because what it will do is it will display your ads on Facebook and Instagram as in posts instead of Instagram stories for your potential clients. Here under schedule, you can run your ads continuously starting today, or you can set a specific start and end date for your ads. And I'm going to say, okay, I want to run these ads from today, which is June 2nd. And I'm going to run them through the end of June. Okay, let's see advanced settings. I'm not going to mess with that. I'm going to go under continue. So here we have Facebook page, the Instagram that is associated with that. And this is where you upload your collateral. If you notice here, what Facebook is recommending is square ads, square images. They need to be a specific pixel size. Now, this is important, guys. If Facebook is telling you 1080 by 1080, then you should upload exactly these kind of pixels. The reason being is if you upload an image or images that are not the specific size, Facebook will not display those images to your potential clients. So let me show you really quickly how I create those images in these specific pixel sizes. So I go under PicMonkey. PicMonkey.com, you can create a free account. It's very easy, or you can pay a small amount of money. I use PicMonkey for all of my graphic design needs. I edit all of my social media graphics here, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube thumbnails. You can even create flyers here. So for this particular example, I'll go under Create New. And I'm going to select an image that I already have. Let's say this particular image. I'll call it dancer pose. And as you see, it's not a square image. So I'm going to go here under crop, and under drop down here, you have different sizes that PicMonkey has already preset for you. So I know that Instagram post is 1080 by 1080. And if you recall, this is the size that Facebook is asking you to make for this ad. So I'm going to say 1080 by 1080 in pixels, and you can move it around and crop it any way you want. So this image is pretty simple. Because I'm targeting beginners, I'm targeting new clients who I'm inviting to come to my yoga studio on the intro special. I'm selecting images of the people in very simple yoga poses that anybody can do. What you want to avoid is selecting images with people in really advanced yoga poses like handstands and crazy back bends and things like that, because it's unrelatable, right? The vast majority of the world cannot do those crazy one-arm handstands. But pretty much anybody can do this simple pose. Besides, it has the cute little cat here next to it. It's attention grabbing, it's clean. It's bright colors. So I like this image, and I'm going to say apply, and I'm going to export it to my computer. Dancer pose, export. So this is how you edit your images to be in that specific 1080 by 1080 pixels. You do it in PicMonkey, and you can open a PicMonkey account for free. So here it is. This is where I'm going to upload these images that I edited. So I already edited a bunch of images here, 1080 by 1080 pixels. They're all very simple images, poses that everybody can do. They're clean, they're bright, they're attention grabbing. And the last one I selected was this one. And very simple poses. So I'm gonna go with 3 today. You can upload up to 10 images if you wanted to. Here on the right, Facebook is giving you an idea how it's gonna look like. So I'm directing my traffic to my website, and I'm just gonna copy and paste. This is the website where I'm gonna create the graphics for my $44 intro special. And also on that page, I'm gonna add a link that my clients can click and buy that special right away from the phone or from their computers. Now, headline is very, very important. Headline is what's gonna grab your client's attention. So spend some time thinking about what kind of headline you want to use. But this one I'm gonna say, do you want to feel healthy, happy, and stress-free? And then text here, I'm gonna say, a month of unlimited yoga for $44. A month of unlimited yoga for $44. Call to action, you always want to leave it as learn more, because statistics shows that it gets the most engagement. And if you see here on the right, it will show you how the ad will look like. Baby, you're in my video.
Well, do you want the finger ripped down on you, or want me to say everything?
Here you can say it under instant articles. It will look how your desktop, how it's gonna look on your desktop. So I like to look at all of these just to see that I like the way it's being presented. A month of unlimited yoga for $44. You want to feel healthy, happy, and stress-free. All right, I'm gonna go confirm. And that's it. So the ad is being reviewed right now. We're back to Ads Manager. This is where you can pause your ads. You can, if they're not performing well, you can stop them. You can pause them. You can duplicate the ads if they're doing really, really well. So these are the basics of how you create and run your Facebook/Instagram ads, because they'll run on the both platforms. I'll create another video for you guys that will go a little bit more into the advanced options where you create a pixel, a Facebook pixel. It's a special code that you will put on the back end of your website that will track the conversion. In other words, what you want to do is assess whether or not your marketing dollars, the money that you're spending to run your Facebook ads, they're actually converting into the purchases. This is a little bit more advanced, and it's pretty easy to do. I figured it out on my own. In a separate video, I'll show you how to create a Facebook pixel and how to embed it on the back end of your WordPress run website. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it very helpful, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye.